Hi, my name is Nell Smith. I live in the United States of America in St. Cloud, Florida. I attend Brigham Young University and am studying elementary education. I've worked in a kindergarten as a teacher's assistant and volunteer in many local elementary schools. And today I would like to read you a story called 1, 2, 3. 1 is good for a quiet walk. 2 is right for a quiet walk. 3 is nice for having tea or for counting to 1, 2, 3. And when you want to go explore, the number you should have is 4. 5 works well for a ride in the car, as long as the car ride isn't too far. 6 is fun for running a race, except for the one who gets 6th place. 7 is perfect for play. 8 makes a very fine class in ballet. You need 9 players strong and quick to field a team for Piggly Stick. 10 makes a celebration loud, loud, loud. And 1 is wonderful after a crowd. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to meeting you.